Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Regulatory compliance. What is regulatory compliance? National and international organizations entering Indian market to commence or operate a venture need licenses, regulatory approvals. In today's regulatory environment, it is necessary for companies to ensure that they are following the laws of land. While companies do have specific divisions handling compliance, but regular third-party compliance check must also be undertaken to keep the internal teams vigilant and validate the compliance status of the organization. What needs to be done in regulatory compliance? To act as an interface between the foreign entrepreneur and government for information regarding rules, regulatory and statutory requirements and assist them in getting requirement approvals. Registration with DGSND and CPWD. Procuring of business from various PSUs. What is included in regulatory compliance? Undertaking a comprehensive assessment of compliance status of the company, the legal and regulatory framework under which it operates. Process includes a detailed review of internal records of the company along with filings done with regulatory agencies. Corporate restrict including merger, amalgamation, demerger, reduction of capital. Identifying the gaps in the compliance structure and recommending corrective actions required to minimize the risk and lay a foundation for a compliant organization. Requirements for regulatory compliance. The following requirements are needed for regulatory compliance: entity status check, certificate of incorporation, certificate of good standing, memorandum of association and article of association, etc. Key elements of compliance framework. Element 1, compliance policy. Element 2, compliance organization structure. Element 3, linkages to key committees. Element 4, compliance strategy and charters activities. Element 5, compliance obligation registers. Element 6, compliance testing framework activities. Procedure of regulatory compliance. 1. Keeping up to date with regulatory changes. 2. Identifying obligations from a rule change. 3. Maintaining compliance policies, procedures and controls. 4. Understanding gaps in compliance from changing rules. 5. Identifying accountable owners for compliance actions and rules. 6. Maintaining a library of applicable rules, controls and actions. Conclusion. Therefore, regulatory compliance can be called as a building block for success of a company. A company that goes against the laws of the land wouldn't be able to survive long. Henceforth, to conclude, we can say that regulatory compliance must be fulfilled in order to make a company legitimate